how to kill a fly with your hands. You know, when it comes to me, I'm a pacifist. A daemon. But if there's one thing that grinds my gears, it's flies. I would harm a fly. If you wake up and hear a fly and touch your face with their poop infested nugget hands, watch this video to learn how to demolish your next target, and as a bonus, how to catch one and tame your victims to your liking. Also, like and leave a comment on how to do anything else. Thank you, Redditor U/Wormy013. I'm merely a messenger here. Now, quick tip. Don't directly go for the fly. These flies move fast, up to 400 times per second, more than our stinky human instincts. Like 6 times faster actually. Step number 1, clap directly above it. The fly will react to the motion of your hands and fly up between them. You could also move your hands in an upward arc rather than straight from the side as you clap. That's it. But if you want to look cool in front of your hands, let's be honest, you're on YouTube seeing this. Here's this awesome next level trick. Our number 1. Fly catching can be done one-handed. And it's just like step 1. What you want to do is you'll want to aim slightly above the fly with the cupped hand like that Allstate logo. On number 2. Move quickly in an upward motion. Number 3. Enclose your fist loosely once you got a hold of that fly. Now, if you don't want grounded fly guts all over your sweet gubby hands, you can loosely cup it instead of making it a fist. Alright, now to keeping it as a pet. Number 1, what you want to do is keep a spray bottle of water handy to squirt them as they fly. Now it's not 100% guaranteed it'll survive, but I mean, there's only like 17 quadrillion flies constantly living alive at this moment. And if you don't have a bottle, you should grab a bowl of water and flick it. Number 2, now that it's done, get a string and just straight up tie one of its legs. Not too tight, but not too loose. Number 3, wait for it to dry its wings off. And number 4, there you go. Enjoy.
You're in good hands.